Hey guys, welcome to a new video on cryptophonics. In this video, we will be discussing a swing trading strategy using two indicators. Very first thing that we will be doing is we will change the candles to Heikin-Ashi candles, and then going in the indicators column, we'll type Ichimoku. Yeah, Ichimoku cloud. That's the indicator we'll be using today. After that, we'll be going to the settings tab of Ichimoku and remove the lagging span line. That's not of much use, so we'll be removing it. This is the hourly chart of Microsoft Corporation right in front of us. Now, to identify the buy and sell signals, we need to focus on this blue line. Okay. If a candle closes above the blue line, we will be initiating a buy trade. For example, if you look at this point, this candle closed above the blue line. This is a buy signal for us. Result, an up move was seen. What will be the stop loss for us? Whenever a candle closes below the blue line, we will be exiting from our trades. As we can see here, at this point, a candle closed below the blue line. So this is a sell signal for us. We will be exiting from our trades here. Whereas if we look over here, whenever we see a candle closing below the blue line, this is a sell signal. This is a signal to short. As a result of this signal, what happened? We can see a down move. Similarly, what will be the stop loss in this case? The stop loss will be a close above the blue line. We can see here, these all candles didn't close above the blue line. This candle, the head of this candle crossed the blue line but did not close above it. Came down. This candle closed above the blue line. So this is the exit point for us. Whereas if you look at this point again, this right in front of us is a close below the blue line. From this point to this point, what we observed is a down move. From this point to this point, what we observed was a down move. Similarly, if we look over here, this candle closed below the blue line. This candle closed below blue line. This candle closed below blue line, but this candle closed above the blue line. Not a great down move was seen here. What we observed was a small down move. Those who would have not booked the profits here, they would have to exit the trade right at this point over here. Not much loss. Okay, further backtracking. If you look over this point over here, candle closed above the blue line. From this point to this point, an up move was seen. If we see over here, a candle closed below the blue line, sell signal, down move. If you look over here, a candle closed above the blue line, signal to buy, up move. Also, no candle is giving a close below the blue line. All the candles are above blue line. Right this point in front of us, red candle closing below the blue line, signal to sell. If we look over here, this candle giving a close above blue line, result up move. This candle giving a close below blue line. So this strategy can be used for booking profits. Also, we can determine the levels of profit that we'll be booking. If a candle closes above the previous high of the candle, we will be exiting from a short trade. And for the long trades, if a candle closes below the previous candle, we will be exiting from a long trades. Okay, if you look over here, a green candle closed above the line, result up move. If you look over here, candle closed below the blue line, result down move. Okay, now let's change the script. Let's check it on Bitcoin now. If you move to Bitcoin, the same indicator is being used and the same Heikin-Ashi setup. Okay, right in front of us, this point. This is a buy signal, a close above the blue line, great up move was seen. This, a close below the blue line, down move. This one, a close above the blue line, result up move. This candle, a close below the blue line, signal to sell, result a down move was seen. This right in front of us, a close above the blue line, small up move, a close below the red line was a signal to sell. So someone if would have not booked the profit here, initiated a short trade. Now if you look over here, a close below the blue line from this point, signal to sell, result down move. If you look over here, a close above the blue line, signal to sell, result up move. Now you can see here this over here, a small down move was seen here, not a major down move was seen. So it's very important to keep booking profits at regular intervals. This setup of ours will be generating signals at regular interval. What we need to do is we need to be keep booking profits. This is a very good strategy which will be giving us regular profits. This right over here, a close above the blue line, signal to buy, result up move. No candle has given a close below the blue line. This, a close below the blue line, signal to sell, result down move. If you look over this point, we can see a candle was formed below the blue line, but not a good move in the down towards the downside was seen. So this is a failed signal. This right in front of us, green candle above the blue line, signal to buy, result up move. Now this again, red candle closing below the line, result a small down move was seen. Now how small really this move is, let us check that. Now if you look over this, the candle opened, this candle after the closing opened at this candle opened at 37,900 levels and gave a closing near 37,700 levels. So this means a profit of around 300 points. Now that's not such a bad profit. So what we really need to do is we need to be booking profits in regular intervals. This point over here, candle above the green line, above the blue line, sorry, result up move, signal to buy, result up move. This point over here, a close below the blue line, signal to sell, result down move. Now this candle over here, this is a close above the blue line, signal to buy, but the up move was not such a big move. Why? What we need to learn in technical analysis is that whenever a big candle is formed, now this right in front of us is a big candle. Whenever a big candle is formed, the next candle is a very important one. If we look over this, the high of the next candle did not breach the high of the previous candle. This is, in fact, not a very bullish candle. Why? Because the high of the candle did not breach the high of the previous candle. Therefore, also, if we check out one more thing, the three candles are making lower highs consecutively. This one has a high here, this one has a high here, and this one has a high here. The three highs are going down. So this is a good strat. Do find it out in your charts. Now, if you look over here, a close above the blue line, signal to buy, result up move. This one, a close below the blue line, signal to buy, signal to sell, result down move. Now, a close below the blue line, signal to sell, result down move. Now let's check it on Ethereum. Sorry. Ethereum. Yeah. Now, if we use the same setup for Ethereum, what we can see is this right in front of us, a close above the blue line, signal to buy, result up move. We can see these candles. First of all, let's mark it till here. And then what we can see is, we can see that this candle went below the blue line, but did not give a close below the blue line. So this was not a signal to exit from a trade. This, a red candle below the blue line, all the candles are touching the blue line but are closing below it. And also the blue line is continuously coming down. This one, signal to sell, result, down move. This one, crossed the blue line, closed above it, signal to buy, result, up move. Okay, so right in front of us, this one, blue line below, closing below the blue line, signal to sell, result, down move. This one right in front of us, closing above the blue line, up move. Signal to buy, result was an up move. Also, there are many examples. If we go backtrack here, this point, buy signal, this point was a sell signal, this point again was a buy signal. But what we can see here is a closing below the blue line. Yeah, so this is for this video. This is a bit complicated strategy. I'll be making further more upcoming videos on this one. So do comment us and tell us about the video. For more such content, stay tuned with this. Thank you.